We have a whale of a car here. Look at this behemoth, 1956 Cadillac. Holy cow, there's more metal here than what's in probably 6 of today's cars. Um, from a collector friend we know very well, just downsized his 20 car collection. We bought a 259s and his 56 from him. He likes to drive his cars thoroughly. I mean, that's what he lives for, is driving his cars. They're very well maintained. Plus, we ran it through our shop for service. It's a factory black, red leather interior, very clean, solid, well-maintained car that looks beautiful. Go to volocars.com and you'll see 200 classic cars, all for sale. Each will have a price tag and a monthly payment, including this one right here. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now, Max, what are we ready for?
I have to go for a spin.
All right, thank you. Okay, big black body, black shows everything, and this presents itself really, really nicely. It's an older paint job. It's just a good, honest car. It's held up really well. The hood is straight, the fender's straight, all clean, nice metal. All the lines, the gaps are real nice. Even all the way down here, it's all smooth. Gap around the door is real nice. Jams are clean. Shuts nice and solid with a thunk. All beautiful quarter panel. It's a mile long. Fender skirts fit nice. No bubbles, no rust. I love the little tail fin here. Big giant trunk, clean, straight, lines up nice. And again, it's an older paint job, so it's proven itself. It's not going to start doing weird things on you, like bubbling or cracking up when you buy the car, because it's already been on there a long time. And this is all clean under here. Smooth, clean. The guy we bought it from, a friend of ours, has always been a car guy. He knew what to look for when he bought the car himself. Nice, solid thunk. So the body is exceptionally clean, straight, fits real nicely, and the paint is an 8 out of 10. There's really nothing to speak of, but it's not, not a $50,000 new paint job. There might be trying to find like an imperfection. There's a little tiny crack in the paint right there, or there's a little touch up on the edge, but it presents itself beautifully. Now look at all this chrome. Look at these big giant bullets, the gold Cadillac, the gold V, everything up here. Let's say it's all very good. This might be original. These might have been replaced. So it's all very good, shiny. The hood ornament, the moldings down this side, this nice detail right here, all sparkling, all straight. All the chrome and stainless, it's all very nice looking. Windshield's crystal clear. I'd assume that's been replaced. I just set the convertible top boot on here. It's all genuine leather, but it's shrunk. I couldn't even button all the buttons. Maybe you can get it stretched out or have a new one made for it. The white walls are nice. The hubcaps are real nice. And same thing back here. The exhaust would come through the bumper. All this is nice and shiny. Did you know this is where you put the gas? I made fun of the mechanic. He was putting gas in there. He said, "What are you putting blinker fluid in?" I thought that was good. Convertible top is white. It's in really nice shape. There's pictures on our website. The weather strips are good. So the outside of the car, really, really in nice shape. Look at the hubcaps, how they sparkle. Let's open it up. Check out that red leather interior. All right. Let's see what's in this giant trunk. I don't know. Should I talk about the dead bodies joke or not? Underneath, very presentable, clean, black. The weather strip looks like it's new. And inside must have been redone. It's all lined really nice with fresh looking red carpet. Tire matches the other tires. You can see it's never been used. I don't know how old the tires are, but they all show nicely. The well liner at the top goes in, looks good. Red carpets, when you throw the bodies in there, if they bleed out, you won't see it. All right, the door jambs are very clean, respectable. The weather strip is very soft. It must have been replaced. Door panels are real nice. The whole armrest section is genuine leather. The rest is real nice vinyl. All the paint, all the chrome's real nice. You can see power window switches because it does have power windows. This has the I think they call it Autronic Eye. This is supposed to dim your headlights when oncoming cars approach. It has a padded dash. All this is original, and you can see it's very nice, very well kept. Not pitted, not broken. The interior light works. There's a Wonder Bar radio. This is all nice. Nice glove box. The light works. There's the owner's manual. Someone did put in like a USB plug-in. This is cool, 1956. So all very nice. Nice kick panels and trim. Carpet, bright red. There are some stains and spots. If you work at it, maybe they come out a little better. It's genuine leather. That always impresses me. It's so much less expensive to put vinyl in, but I like the leather. It's a Cadillac. You gotta have the leather. It's all nice and soft. Rear carpet, good with a little staining. Again, soft leather on the back seat as well, and on top the armrest. All this is really nice shape. Comes with a shop manual. The visors look good. It has a day and night mirror. Steering wheel, original, but looks very good. And I don't know if I mentioned, but these are the factory-born colors. Black with the red leather interior is how it came. And this car is going to command attention. Oh, that's a power seat too, and it does work. I just tried it myself. Just look how big and impressive. Yeah, impressive is the word with this car. So that's a 365 V8, makes 285 horsepower, I believe. Original setup, original style 4-barrel carb and fuel pump, and the Cadillac script valve covers. Big dual snorkel, we'll call it. Air cleaner. The wires are run neatly. The hoses are neat. Here's the battery. Here's a master disconnect switch. When you park the car for a while, you can just disconnect it. Again, all nice, proper, looking good. All nice, clean metal. The horns are up here. And we got power steering. This is the power brakes. This is an oil filter. The ductwork, the hoses, all looks proper. It has a sound deadener under the hood. That'd be a Cadillac thing. Make it quieter. So it is quiet. It runs smooth. Michael's going to show you that, and I'll see you in a few minutes.
All right, everybody. Top is down and it's time to go for a cruise. Another glorious day here in beautiful Volo, Illinois. And I am super excited to present this Series 62 Cadillac to you guys. I'm really loving the leather interior here. It's genuine leather and it feels so soft and supple. Literally glove soft. And the bench seat, so nice and comfortable. I really am a fan of the larger luxury cars, and this one really does it for me. Got a 365 V8 under the hood. It's factory rated at 285 horsepower, and power steering and power brakes as well. Let's see what she's got. Oh yeah. It was just eased into her. It runs real nice. Didn't break up at all. Seems to be dialed in really, really well. I did notice that our speedometer is not calibrated correctly, so we'll send a work order to the shop for that, and they will repair it before it goes out to the new owner. But other than that, what a great experience. did everything that we wanted it to, and it did it well at that. So yeah, I'd encourage you to come take a test drive if you'd like to. No disappointments here. Just give us about a day's notice because all the cars are located in a museum environment. We need time to rearrange them. And other than that, check out all the details at volocars.com.
So underneath the car, just very well maintained, good, clean, honest. It does appear to be rock solid. The frame and chassis components are smooth as a chalkboard. They're not pitted or flaky. The original undercoated floors appear to be in really solid shape. And miscellaneous parts. We put new shocks on it, like the bushings on the front sway bars. You know, there's stuff that looks recent. Mufflers look recent. So again, maintained as needed. Hydromatic transmission underneath there. Bottom of the motor's clean. Even the U-joints on the drive shaft look clean. So very nice car. The black with the red really impressed me. I mean, that's just stunning. Just look at that car. You pull up anywhere with this thing. I don't care who it is. They're going to look and admire. And you're just going to feel like king of the world floating down the road in this one. Go to volocars.com. Salesman will help answer your questions, including how to get this 56 Cadillac delivered to your garage, which you better measure, by the way. And if you need financing, they'll help with that too. Don't worry, I'm not going to charge by the pound. Thanks for watching.